If William Ruto will either be, President William Ruto will be either like President Kibaki, who left us with a debt of 1.8 trillion, or he will be better. And I am one person who believes if Kenya will not change under the leadership of the chief hustler, it will never change. There is optimism. There is a lot of excitement in the region and in Africa. Never have you seen 21 presidents coming for an inauguration. There used to be a handful of 10, 15. Kenya is a hub, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, we have a young, energetic, sober president. A president who only takes tea, like me. He only takes tea. A good listener. A president who believes in the unity of people. Check, since he was in ODM, URP, Jubilee, and UDA, he has never appointed any of his relatives to this house. Compare, his party has been appointing the marginalized, women, person who listens to women. Let us judge William Ruto in a very fair way, even if you're in the position. And today I'm very happy. My colleague, the ranking member, has really confirmed to all and sundry that he has taken his place in the minority and in the opposition. This country needs an effective and robust opposition. It was not there last time. Last time we didn't know who was government. The opposition, you know, that handshake killed this country. It gave us extra 7 trillion. 7 trillion. And that is why we need to reconfigure the budget. And even this house, the budget of the Parliament Service Commission must be ready to be slashed. And we must not rush to the Chinese loans anymore. We must borrow. If we have to borrow, we must borrow from the multilaterals that will give us cheaper rates at 3%, longer period. We don't want these Chinese who come and they come with their companies, Kenyans lose, they offload their population. Imagine a Chinese truck driver in a construction site. This house must rise to the occasion. And those of us who will, if the house approves me, we will not allow Kenya's place to be occupied by foreigners.